Scene Sharuk meeting with Defi director means short title and extent, and Defi means who and what. Let's move to next step, FMP or film making process, because film start is there. F means fixing wages, set the minimum wage, and M means minimum wage components, decide what the wage includes, cash, food, etc., and P means PSRW, procedure for setting and revising wages. Recall no section 6 as hockey doesn't include sixes like cricket game. Now fourth scene, all going to Amitabh Bachchan home means total 4 points, and AB means advisory boards, and going by cab means central advisory board. Coco Cat also going means composition of committees, and all are co-re means correction of errors. Meeting with PA who was abnormal, and PA means only 2 sections using WIKS means wages in kind, and PAMI AUNTY is there means minimum payment rule. Sixth scene total 7 steps in ICU of hospital. Tell you name and he tells, some name is Wolverhampton or SNWH means setting normal working hours. Take him to Operation Theta or OT means overtime. PM is likely to visit hospital. So 15 number room is W plus PWD or wages for partial workdays, and room 16 is no manji NHATI or W plus MJC means wages for multiple job classes, 2 or more. Now PA says I need MTR soup means section 17 is MTR and PW or minimum time rate for piecework. Next is section 18 or Mr. means maintenance of registers and records, and section 19 means inspectors. Scene 7, Sharuk and AB reach airport where only 3 steps, because ticket passport and boarding, so 3 steps means section 20 is claims, and section 21 is single application for multiple employees, and section 22 is PSO or penalties for specific offences. All landed and headed towards hotel, which is at F block. So remember 8-point hotel at GPOO or section 22A means GPOO or general punishment for other offences. And section 22B is coffee or CO or cognizance of offences. Next, section is 22C means saying OR coffee or OC is offences by companies, companies being held accountable. Next is section 22D or WIFI is on an email sent with subject line PDW or payment of due wages. Next is section 22E or PR of Mr. Amboni in GLA. It means protection of employer assets from government attachment. Next section is 22F or Amrish Pawar 1936 born means application of Payment of Wages Act 1936 to scheduled jobs. Now most important is 9th phase or at 9 p.m. a film is running. Film name is Empirical Express and it's section 23. It means EMO and EX employers exempted. Next is section 24, it's the story of a scientist in lab or lawsuits blocked. Next is section 25 or it's nose filled with coal means no sneaky contracts. Next is section 26 or 2EX of hero means exemptions and exceptions. Now let's remember the names of both X. So it's section 27 again, total 9 means first wife, POSTI Govel, or power of state government to add to schedule. And section 28 means second wife, her name is Senti Govel or power of central government to give directions.
And section 28 means second wife, her name is Senti Govil or power of central government to give directions. Finally, second lady say in section 29 Maru or power of central government to make rules. Last scene means 10th is giraffes plus parade plus VFS. So section 30 is giraffes means power of appropriate government to make rules. And section 30 is parade or rules made by central government to be laid before parliament. Last is section 31 or effects of VFX Mira is equal to validation of fixation of certain minimum rates of wages.